Hello student, this is Samana Dhakad, biology teacher. Welcome in Vidya Ashram Public School YouTube channel. In this video, we will study about the chapter number 7, structural organization in animal. In this video, we will study about the many type of tissue which are present in the animals. But first of all, we have to know that what the mean by structural organization in animal. We know that there is a basic unit of the life of the human body, that is cell. Then similar type of cells are working together, they made tissue. And then tissues are made organs. After organs made organ system, and then total organ system are work together and form a human body. So this is a structural organization in animals. In this chapter, we will study about the types of tissues which are present in the animals. So, firstly, the definition of tissue is a group of similar cells along with intercellular substances perform a specific functions. These are called tissues. Means tissues are the grouping of many type of cells. जो tissues होते हैं वो cells का एक grouping form होता है when similar type of cells are working together, then in the grouping form they made a tissue. So here is the type of animal tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and neural tissue. First is epithelial tissue, which is divided into three parts: aqueous tissue, cuboidal tissue and columnar tissue. Then connective tissue also divided into four parts: areolar, adipose, dense connective and fluid connective. Muscular is also divided into three parts: skeleton, smooth and cardiac. And neural system, neural type of tissues is a type of neuron. So our first type of tissue in animal tissue, that is epithelial. So there is a word is defined, epi and thelial. Epi means upon, thelial it means grown. It means tissues which grown on the another type of tissue. A tissue which grown on the another type of tissue, that is epithelial type of tissue. So we can say that a tissue which grown upon another type of tissue, that is epithelial tissue. Word can be defined itself. It is simplest type of tissue. It is protective tissue of animal body. Just because it is the uppermost tissue, so the work of the epithelial, it is protective the animal body. It covers most organs and cavity within the body to keep different body systems separate. The cells are compactly packed with little intercellular space. It means cells which are present in the epithelial tissue, these are compactly packed and they have intercellular space, a little bit intercellular space. So blood vessels, lymph cells, capillaries are enabled to pierce this tissue. So blood circulation absent in epithelial tissue. So if there is a question that in which type of tissues blood is not circulate, then the answer is epithelial type of tissue, because they have the little bit intercellular space in them. Here is the type of epithelial tissue, that is aqueous, cuboidal and columnar, microvilli, cilia and granular. Aqueous, cuboidal and columnar are the type of simplest type of epithelial, and microvilli, cilia and granular is the type of compound type of epithelial tissue. In the simple epithelial tissue, only single layer of the same type of tissue, but in compound type of tissue, many type of cells are present in the compound epithelial tissue. Simple type of epithelial tissue which have three parts: aqueous, cuboidal and columnar. The explanation form is that there is a question that differentiate between them, differentiate among them, that what is the difference between aqueous and cuboidal, what is the difference between the cuboidal, columnar, what is the difference between the aqueous and columnar. So here is some points about these type of simple epithelial tissues. Flattened cells, aqueous tissue have flattened cell. Cuboidal type of tissue have like Burke and defined, these have cube-like cells. Columnar type of tissues have tall and slender typical cells. Aqueous tissue is present in the wall of blood vessels, air sacs of lungs, and the position of cuboidal tissue is duct of glands, tubular parts of nephron in kidney. It means these are present in the glands and nephron, and columnar is present in the stomach and intestines lining. Aqueous type of tissue form a diffusion boundary. The function of cuboidal is secretion and absorption just because they have glands, and columnar type of tissues function is also secretion and absorption.